Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new meme coin, and from this meme coin you can earn from playing game and also earn to hold this coin. So without wasting our time we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So as you can see, the project was open. Squad meme is the name of this project, and link and detail of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. So first of all I will tell about you this project. You can earn money from playing the game, and also if you can buy the coin of this project you can also get rewards. So first of all you can see the website was open and detail was also showing in it. You can see first of all read the details and then be the member of this project. Invite as many commanders as possible. Try your best to the top 20 in leaders and you can get more rewards. Also you can play games, and you can earn from the character of this game tone, and also you can get reward in S meme coin. It's a meme coin of this project, and you can also get a big profit from it. Simply the partner of this project was showing on screen, and you can see play now and accumulate your rewards. And so I will tell you about how you can purchase this coin and hold it. So simply we can go to the Mexic exchange. As you can see it was showing on screen, the link of this exchange was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. As you can see the current price of this coin was showing on screen and it's growing very fastly, so must participate in it. And total highs, lows and volume was showing on screen, and you can see total amount of USDT 7.2 million was invested in this coin, and you can see it's growing very fastly and you can also get a big profit from it. So simply join it and you can buy and sell it from Mexic exchange, so you can get a big profit. It's a good opportunity for you to be the member of this project. As you can see it's growing fastly and give you a big profit in future. It's a good opportunity for you, so must join it and be the member of this project, and also read the detail and then participate in it. So hopefully you will know how you can purchase it from Mexit. Simply go to the Mexit exchange and the link was available in description. You can see game USDT was available and you can simply buy it and get a big profit. So hopefully you will understand how this project work and how you can get profit. Now I will tell you how you can play and earn from this platform. Simply you can go to the Twitter account of this project. First of all follow it for latest updates and newses. Then I will tell you how you can participate in it. As you can see shoot villain to get S meme and tone coin, so it's a good opportunity for you. As you can see a fresh week of Squid Meme official. Simply you can participate in it by the bot. Open the bot, form me S meme effectively, and simply enter your wallet and make referrals to get reward, and simply you can earn money from it. No pressure, no grand talk, as you can see, and you can simply earn reward. It's a very good opportunity for you as you see on screen. And I will also share with you the latest update. Simply go to the message option and you can simply send a message to bot and be the member of this project. Simply send your wallet and you can join the game and make referrals and get reward from this gameplay process, and it's a good opportunity for you. And also join the Telegram community of this project. Simply you can see squad meme bot was available. Simply start it and be the member of this project and get a profitable. So it's a good opportunity and right time for you to be the member of this project and get more profit and updates, and you can earn more profit. So hopefully you will know about how you can be the member of this project and participate in it. So must join it and also join the social media account. As you can see it was listing on Mexic. I will share with you the live chart of this project. So latest updates and news is also sharing in this social media account, so must follow it for latest updates and news and join this project to get a big profit. It's a good opportunity for you and it's a meme coin and growing very fastly. Hope you will understand how project work and how you can get profitable. You can see the live chart of this project now, the price going more forward, and you can see the detail was also showing on screen. Go to the Mexic and then you can simply purchase it. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.